Hey everybody, welcome. So today I brought another project for you guys to have a look and hopefully it's gonna be helpful for you as well. Let's start. We are doing oil change on my 2014 Honda Accord. It's gonna be same for your as well. I hope so. There's no difficulty you're gonna see up there. So I got 0W20 STP oil, regular mileage 5,000 miles it gives you. So I'll take you step by step what you're gonna do when you're gonna do it yourself at home. All you need pair of ramps to lift your car up, a jack gonna work too. So let's start. So here we are. We have a 17 milli socket up here which we're gonna need to open, and here is the oil filter. It's marking up here engine oil. The bolt is right next to it. So just open it up and pour the oil on something. Don't dig a hole and put it in it. Just put something under it and recycle it properly. So let's do it. There it is for the oil filter. Just spin it a little bit with the help of filter opener or something. Barely with one hand, it's really hard, but when you're applying two hands on it, it's gonna be a little easier for you. So before taking this one off, let's put that screw back on. Bolt. Let it drain first all the way. So little drops coming out of it. So that's gonna be quick key one. There you go. Go to the rinse and start screwing back up. Make sure don't thread it the wrong way. I just wiped the oil under it. So clean that mess up. I do have a big brake cleaners, brake part cleaners or something like that. So let me tighten it up. So let me finish it up, tighten the nut up. After that I'll remove the filter, as you can see over here. Sorry for me just handling camera one-handed. So let me just tidy it up, and from there I can show you. You see the force I'm putting up on that bolt? It need whole lot of force. After tied that up, let's loosen this filter. Before it was from cheaper side, hyper tough. There's no way you're gonna save yourself from this stuff. It's all over internet. Let people get messy doing it. So here it is. Just make sure you lube it a little bit. Some people do like fill it up all the way, but I'm not one of them. It's gonna be filled up by itself. Just do the engine, make the magic. There you go. I have a squad running around me. So here we are, putting this thing back up. Most of the turn was hand turned, and I don't think so. You need a wrench or something to tie this one up. There you go. What's up, Victor? What's going on? stay away from me, as I say. All he wants, a little pet. My cute pet Vector. And where's the Mini go? Over there, the Mini. Both are nice goats. That's all he wants. So here it is, the final, least and final step from the mechanical side, I can say. Still one technical thing we have to do. I'll mention it once I'm done with it. Make sure your funnel is clean and clear from any debris in there. Because mine was sitting outside, so it has some stuff in it. Make sure I take it out. Everything before I put the oil in. All done. There we go. Crystal and clear funnel. Put the oil in. As I mentioned earlier, it's 0W20. If you get my picture clear, 0W20 STP. Okay, it gives you average 5,000 miles, not more, not less. But it's better to be changed earlier. But this time, mine has due for a while. Not that long, almost a week since the maintenance light came on. Cap, and let's pour it in. I have a little trick for you, how to don't splatter all around. It's always good to have two hands, extra hand to help you out. So always pour bottle on this side, so that way it's not gonna be splatter outside all everywhere. Mostly when when I take to the dealership or somewhere to change the oil, they made a whole lot of mess. That's what I don't like. I take my car to dealership once in a while to just have a look, every other stuff too, like transmission fluid and other things under carriage. So mostly I do it on my own. We take whole thing, because that's the bad thing about the Hondas, mostly Honda Accords. That's what I had experience with. They burn oil. It's true. It's not a myth. It's true in my scenario. I had like Honda Accord twice, and both had the same issue. Burn oil. So if you put low extra. So today my trick not working because of wind. I'll hold this with one hand. I'll do this way. There you go, Victor again. Hey Victor, stop doing it. Let him play too. Go Mini, go play. I just take him out to have low free ranging around me. So all of my chickens are out there too, around 20 of them. So I let them free range in the evening time when I get up from work. So there you go. It's gonna drink all of that for sure. I guaranteed you. That's all from this side of the car. Let's go toward the technical side. Let me show you from inside how to reset the engine maintenance light thing, how you're gonna reset that on Honda Accord, because these all new cars have a different stuff, different way to do it. So guys, I'm about to show you how to reset your oil life status, oil change light status, oil status. Over here it's showing mine 1B 15%. So as I mentioned earlier, I changing after a week since it's came up. So you have to turn your switch on. If you have a push start, just push the light up, don't start it, just push it up. And for my scenario, I have to turn the switch. I didn't turn to start yet. So here it is. You have to bring your status to up here. Mine is already here, so let me show you. Just keep pushing it. Trip A, trip B, and here you go, the oil life. And here you have to do just push and hold this button, this gauge where you change the status of your odometer, like how much its mileage is, how to see it. So you just have to push and hold until it start blinking. Hold, here you go. And now you have to release it, and now push it again. You have to release and push again then, and sooner it's gonna be 100%. Here we are. Release it back up, and now just set your trip A, trip B, whatever you set for the to track the mileages. There you go, 0. All right, mine B gonna be with the with the fuel 100%. Here you go. Thank you for watching. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.